Welcome to Think Money with Marie. How to make money online. Make a list of 10 things you enjoy doing. This can be anything from playing video games, dancing with your dog, or going on walks in the woods. Next, write down the activities that you enjoy doing and don't worry about what other people think, just write down what you enjoy doing. Make a list of the ways you can make money with your skills. This step is crucial. You need to be honest and thorough in order to reap the benefits of this exercise later on. List all the skills you have and the ways you can use them to make money. This might include writing, art, design, photography, and anything else that comes naturally to you. Think of things you've done before or dreamed about doing, like making jewelry or designing websites, and write them down on your list as well. List all the things that interest you and make sure they're relevant in some way. For example, if your interest is making friends, consider how those interests could help further other goals, perhaps by networking with people who'd like their own websites built. Finally, list all the things that are important to you, not necessarily anyone else, while asking yourself why they matter so much. Then turn those things into goals for yourself. In other words, what would happen if I didn't accomplish my goals? Bid on work or sell your services or products on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Indeed. Here are the steps for getting started. Search for gigs that match your skills. Post an offer to perform a service for a specific price. Complete the transaction by performing the task requested by the client in exchange for payment. Start blogging for income. Starting a blog is one of the best ways to earn money online. Blogging can be as simple as writing about your hobbies, sharing recipes, and having ads pop up on your website. But if you want to make some real money from blogging, then it's important that you find a niche that has potential for success. Pick a topic or niche. If you want to start making money with your blog, then it's important that you pick an area where people are willing to spend their hard-earned cash. Think about what interests you and write about those topics, but don't choose too narrow a topic or people might get bored with what they read. Write quality content. You need people coming back again and again so they see all the ads being displayed on your page. This means lots of quality content. Make sure each post is engaging enough so readers will keep coming back over time, or else they'll lose interest. Turn your blog into a membership site. A membership site is a great way to build a sustainable income online. You can sell information products like ebooks, or you can offer members-only content or tools that help people achieve a goal, e.g., weight loss. Here's how it works. Your membership site has members who pay monthly dues in exchange for your knowledge and expertise. They get unlimited access to all the products and services you have available, depending on what they choose when they sign up. To drive sales on your membership site, there are several things you need to do. Create high-quality content that helps solve problems for your audience, the people who will be paying for this content. Promote that content with an email list and social media channels. Create an online course. For this step, you don't need to be an expert in your field, you just need to have something valuable to teach. If you don't have any specific skills yet, consider getting a certification so that you can be considered an expert. Next, ask yourself what your audience needs to know. Do they want help with making business decisions? Are they looking for ways to improve their health or fitness? Do they want advice on how to deal with a particular situation in their life? Finally, make sure that the topic has not already been covered by someone else. You can do this by Googling your course topic plus reviews. If too many people have already taught the same thing, then it's probably time for you to think about another topic. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you can do it without having your own website and without having to create or sell your own products. It's simple, really. You promote other people's products and services on your blog or social media page, like Instagram, send traffic from those sites to an affiliate program partner, and earn commissions when someone buys their product through your site. This can be done in a number of different ways. Add an endorsement for a product into one of your blog posts or mentions on social media. Create a review video where you talk about how much you love using the product in question, and link back to their site. Write an article about the product and include it in a roundup of affiliate links. Create your own review site that features reviews for products you like, along with links to where they can be purchased. Create and sell an online course that teaches people how to do something. If you're not interested in teaching, then this is not the strategy for you. However, If your goal is to create a course that teaches people how to do something, and then sell it, I highly recommend it. One of my favorite examples of an online course, or e-course, that teaches people how to do something is the 12 Ways to Make Money Online by Marie Tavernier. See link. Build a simple app and sell it on the App Store. There are certain things a person needs in order to make money online. They need to have the knowledge or skills necessary to do the work, and they need to have an understanding of how much time it will take them and what their costs will be. In addition, if your goal is to make money online by selling something, like a product or service, you will also need capital for that purpose. The first thing you need when trying to build your business is an idea for what kind of business you want. The second step would be figuring out how much time it would take for you to develop whatever product or service it might be that could not only sell itself but also provide enough profit margin so that there's room left over after covering expenses such as basic living expenses plus costs associated with running any type. Even if you have no experience, you can find ways to make money online. Even if you have no experience, you can find ways to make money online. In fact, many people are making a part-time or full-time income while they're still in school and don't even have a job. The great thing about this is that it doesn't take much time to start earning money online. Once you get started, the opportunities for making a living from home will grow and multiply over time. I've seen many people start out with only an hour or two per week but end up working full-time from their home office because they discovered so many different ways to earn money online. The good news is that there are so many opportunities available now thanks to the internet that anyone can make some extra cash without having any specialized skills or education necessary.